All right, so you have your user manual right here. So this kit pretty much has everything you need for your ordinary DIYer. Let's go ahead and check out the drill first. This is a 12 volt, 1.5 amp hour battery, and it comes with a charger, and this is where you charge the battery. Typically takes up to 2 to 3 hours to reach full charge on the battery, and under continuous use, you can expect about 40 to 50 minutes of runtime. That's enough time for plenty of light household tasks like assembling a bookshelf or hanging curtains. As you can see, you got bits right here, bits right here. The hand tools, needle nose pliers, a wrench. You have a blade here. They also give you replacement bit blades. That's cool. And then you have your mini screwdrivers and your standard screwdrivers. You got a hammer here. So I never seen in a toolbox of screws. This is 100 pieces of things that you use in your home that you may need. So you don't have to make an extra trip to the hardware store to get something. You got a good bit of accessories here that you can use in your home. You also have a tape measure here. So the hand tools are forged from high hardness carbon steel and finished with chrome plating for rust resistance. They are durable enough for general around the house fixes. So this is a very versatile set of tools. My daughter just moved into another apartment. As a matter of fact, she moved in a couple of months ago, and this will be perfect for her to use. It seems like they thought of everything that you need for in the house to make repairs, assemble furniture. So if you're looking for a home toolkit, definitely check this one out. Whole lot of tools in this one case.